Now we're going to work on knit 2 together. Knit 2 together is a very simple, very easy way of doing things, and it helps reduce the amount of stitches you have on your needle by 1. So what you'll do is you'll see I have 2 here that were knit before. You're going to just go through both. Okay. See how I'm going through both like I'm knitting 1, except I've got 2 stitches there, and pull it through. That is knitting 2 together. Now if you look, it looks like you just knitted it, but on the back it looks kind of bulky. So you don't normally want to do this unless you are at the end of your project or it's at a closed end.